mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about the stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping those 62s, cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I had to get P.A.D. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out it went for 20s down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Block 19 for casket and flower moves. But Trump's trying to stop my flow, and what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy, the cop me a brick. Asked for such a sign and he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York. Catch me if you can like the gingerbread man. You better have your gat in hand, cause man, I had the master plan. I'm in the caravan on my way to... Hey, I'm beat.
M.
In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. Goddamn. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Goddamn. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. Goddamn. All she wanna do is hold that broccoli. Goddamn. Whispering in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Goddamn. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Goddamn. Say that I can hit that shit so easily. Goddamn. I'm a dirty clown, I did it sleazily. Hey, no, tell it, what? I'm finna beyond. Hey, hey, I'm beyond all that bullshit.
I flaunt my shit up on Linden and the 192. Forever right and ever biting, ain't shit else to do. Hoping to battle, but most MCs ain't ready yet. But if they utter one word, then this is good as set. You have MCs dropping bombs, that's incredible. Some other brothers, their styles are just despicable. As for me, see, I just do how I love to do. Try to deny me of my props and I'll be seeing you. Most of you suckers wanna be down for the tag along. The friggin' fame, someone tell them that this shit ain't game. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. And if it's real, only then will you be on a roll. I try to stay on top of my game, there ain't no time to lose. For albums deep as a question, but still we paying dues. So hear me out one time, you got to be yourself. Cause if you ain't yourself, you end up by your friggin' self.
Could never die.
Fucking drug shit.
Oh, Lord,
yeah. Yo, straight from the depths of Queens. Leave you sleeping on the mezzanine. Like you Lincoln, then switch it to a desert scene. Often heard, but this motherfucker seldom seen. I'm throwing blows while you waiting for the bell to ring. Drug smoking, razors make the pasta sweet. Slumped over when the barrel and your posture meet. Stay lean like some motherfucking ostrich meat. You full of shit, it's time to get a colonoscopy. Scissor kicks, dick suck from Miss Elizabeth. Lex Luger arms, 4 in the morning in the dark with the computer on. Wasting my time, my thoughts of patience, taste of old grace replaced in my mind. Born to shine like the eyes on a cat. Same cat, fuck around, put the knife in your back, cause it's nothing. We live and let die, you roll the land and you bluff it. You lifted the cards and showed your hand, pussy. Tailor-made rubber made reliable. Never spilled a soup, rock a linen suit. Play the streets like the ball court, spin and shoot. Strong as Popeye, dipping in the spinach coop. Take my nuts out your mouth, let me breathe for a minute, please. Your life is cheap like a hooker in the Philippines. About to be a huge star and I'm still in Queens. You on the shelf like a figurine. Drugs infested my mind, but I'm destined to shine. Spit the shit to keep these motherfuckers pressure rewind. Thousands of pounds of pressure pressed on your spine. Live the vine, free the mind, lead the blind, read the signs. Hands up like you stepping in the party. Know you getting robbed, motherfucker, with the shoddy. Send you potty, make your body do an ollie. Then dig your shorty out, cause I geeked her up on Molly. Haven't eaten dick, no need for seasoning. If 7 dudes are in the room, then she's pleasing them. Like a trooper, hit her in the pooper. Throw her in the shower, then I take her out to Looper. I'm kinky, I'll hit it even if it's stinky. Put him in the shower, make the pussy brand new. Ran through, give her money, what I can't do. Stuff a lunchbox and burn it with the candle. Consensual rape, vinegar solutions. Animal abusing, barrel revolutions. Don't get me pissed off, fuck around, rip your tits off. Still getting head, even if my dick's off. Rising quick, no Fleischmans. I'm in the end zone with one leg up, posing like Heisman. Throw it like Theismann. Sway foot with the village leader smoking a pipe with 7 wise men. I eat the biggest piece of chicken at the table. Let them know I'm hungry. Polo on the rugby. The 44 long, surely got a trusty hold. Trying to live American dreams, dusty roads. Yeah, fucking pussy.
Oh, look like I could never die. Oh, look like I.
Vale, enciendo.